Welcome back. So the machine is now up and running with the operating system that we have started installing in the previous video. You can see now we are going to provide some customization. I'm just going to provide a password. I'm going to actually upload the password on Git later on. So don't worry about the password. By the way, you can see that password, and if you don't find it while you download the virtual machine, you can still refer back to the video and see the password. So I just pointed out for a while. So I think we are good to go, and let's finish the installation process. Just give it a couple of minutes, and then our operating system is ready to go. Now, just need to pass the Alt Control Del key. Write the password. By default, obviously, it is asking me to log in using the local admin, but later on, as a practice, we can create a separate user and we can use that. And even if we are part of a network, we can connect our server to the network, and I'm going to show you how we can do it. Obviously, we need the domain admin rights to do that part, but I think in this video, we are fine because we are going to use one server for all these activities. So I'll just let it apply all the configurations. And once it's finished, we're going to see that we have the nice, beautiful Windows 19 server in front of us. And just to show you guys so on bottom right, you can see we have a evaluation message from Microsoft that this server is evaluation copy and the license will be expired after 180 days, which is almost 6 months. Here I want to discover on my current network. So if I want to access from another machine, I'm able to do so. And I'll show you later on the advantage why I'm actually doing it. There are multiple advantages for putting this server on the network discovery. So I think we are pretty good at this stage with the server, and yeah, let's do the configuration in this video as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually change the computer name and adjust a couple of settings. You can see the time zone is referring to US, and I'm based in Sydney, so I might change the time zone to reflect the local time zone. But before that, I'm going to change computer name. And even before changing the computer name, I need to do one more thing to install the integration services. Let me see what it's exactly called. Sorry, we are going to install the guest edition, and the reason is you can see the resolution is not aligned with the screen, so we need to install the guest edition that install a couple of software items that will make my machine more compatible with my VGA graphics, and I think with mouse compatibility. So that's part of the virtualization technology offered by Oracle. So we just click on that and it will mount the source into my virtual machine. So you can see we have now VirtualBox guest edition. I will open it up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to let me run these 64-bit because we have installed 64-bit edition. So let me run the 64-bit version of the guest edition. So we are pretty good. Yeah, we are just going to use the default values at this stage because we don't want to change it. All good. I don't want to keep it on the start menu and trace. So let me just Yeah, I want to install. I'm trusting that it is coming from Oracle. So I just give it. Yeah, see that's one of the reason why I didn't actually change the computer name, because it asked me to reboot my machine. So I'm gonna reboot my machine and I'm gonna stop my recording in here, and we'll see in the next video the next or post installation configuration that we'll do before we go and install the SQL Server on this machine. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.